Have you ever wondered how to make money fast with the stock market? The world of stocks and shares might seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and tools, it can become a goldmine of opportunities. Today, we're taking the mystery out of the stock market, offering you a glimpse into the world of quick financial gains. We'll be guiding you through the process, simplifying it into easy-to-understand steps. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an exciting journey. Stay tuned as we break down the process into manageable steps. First, you need to grasp the fundamentals of stock trading. Picture the stock market as a vast supermarket of companies. When you buy a stock, you're purchasing a piece of that company, becoming a partial owner. These shares of ownership are traded on exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq. Now, it's not as simple as buying low and selling high. Market trends play a pivotal role here. Trends help us understand the general direction of the market. Whether it's an upward trend, known as a bull market, or a downward trend, called a bear market, these fluctuations can significantly impact your investments. Remember, the stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, strategic planning, and a solid understanding of its workings. Without these, it's like diving into an ocean without knowing how to swim. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the strategies. There are several strategies to consider when aiming to make quick money in the stock market. First, let's talk about day trading. This strategy involves buying and selling securities within the same trading day. Day traders make their profits by taking advantage of small price movements in highly liquid stocks or currencies. It's like a high-speed chess game, where quick decisions and rapid execution are key. But remember, day trading requires a thorough understanding of the market and a keen eye for detail. Next, we have swing trading. This strategy is for those who have a bit more time on their hands. Swing traders aim to capture gains in a stock within 1 to 4 days. They utilize technical analysis to find stocks with short-term price momentum. But, like day trading, swing trading also requires a good understanding of market trends and a well-developed strategy. Now, let's talk about investing in volatile stocks. Volatility is a measure of the frequency and severity of price movements. Stocks with high volatility can provide opportunities for substantial gains in a short time, but they also carry a higher risk, so tread carefully. All these strategies can help you make quick money in the stock market, but they come with their own risks. You must always remember that the stock market is unpredictable. Prices can go up just as quickly as they can go down, and this is where risk management comes into play. It's important to set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Diversifying your portfolio can also help spread the risk. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. These strategies are not for the faint-hearted. They require knowledge, skill, and a good understanding of the market. Before diving in, take the time to educate yourself. Read books, take online courses, and practice with virtual trading accounts. Remember, every strategy comes with its own set of risks and potential rewards. So, weigh your options carefully and choose the strategy that best fits your financial goals and risk tolerance. Having the right tools and resources at your disposal can make a significant difference. So, let's dive into what these tools and resources might be. One of the most crucial resources you'll need is a solid trading platform. This is the hub from which you'll buy and sell your stocks, so it's essential to find one that's reliable, user-friendly, and equipped with a robust set of features. Next, you'll want to have a handful of financial news outlets at your fingertips. Staying informed about market trends, company news, and economic indicators is vital. Resources like Bloomberg, CNBC, and the Wall Street Journal can provide this valuable information. Lastly, consider using some of the many available technologies to help you analyze the market. These include charting tools, stock scanners, and even AI-driven predictive software. These can help you spot trends, identify opportunities, and make informed decisions. Armed with these tools, you're well on your way to making money fast in the stock market. So there you have it, a simple guide to making money fast in the stock market. We've walked you through the basics, explored quick money strategies, and highlighted essential tools and resources. It's all about understanding the market, using strategies like swing trading and day trading effectively, and leveraging the right tools for timely decision-making. Remember, stock trading is a journey, not a race. Equip yourself with knowledge, strategize carefully, and happy trading.